Future Bengals, welcome to Brighton High School. We're excited to have you at Brighton next year. This video is an overview of the course selection process. It will help you pick your classes for next year and know how to enter those classes into Skyward. When you're thinking about which classes to take, you should refer to the four-year plan you created with your counselor. You can find your four-year plan in Skyward if you click on Forms, and then it's the PCCR form. The four-year plan can help you know which classes to take which year of high school. You should also refer to the graduation requirements. These are listed on our website. In our district, we have the higher diploma options of advanced or honors. If a student wants to aim for an honors or advanced diploma, it's a good idea to take a world language in 9th grade. You'll use the course selection worksheet to pick which classes to take next year. Starting on the left-hand side are the required classes. Everyone should take English next year. The options are regular or honors English for 9th graders. Students can go back and forth in English, so a student could start in regular English 9 and move to 10 honors the next year if they would like to. Next is math. Everyone should take a math next year. The options are regular, honors, or honors advanced. Regular math moves over 3 trimesters. Honors math is an accelerated class. It's over 2 trimesters. And Honors Advanced covers Secondary Math 1 honors as well as the first part of Secondary 2 honors in 1 year. Students are encouraged to stay on the math pathway that they start on. So a student who starts in regular should continue with that. Students should look at the future to decide which pathway to choose. A main difference with the advanced pathway is students will have the opportunity to take 2 AP level math classes in high school. Students in the honors pathway would be able to choose 1. All 9th graders should pick a science next year. For science, the options are biology, honors chemistry, physics, or earth science. Most 9th graders will take biology. Chemistry and physics are available for students who would like to challenge themselves, and earth science is an option that's a little bit easier for students. You'll see that students can go back and forth with regular and honors each year of high school in the science if they would like to. All 9th graders should take geography. There's regular geography or AP Human Geography. The AP class is college level. At the end of the year, students take a test. If they pass the test, they can earn college credit. It can be a great opportunity for students, but it does require additional homework. Students can go back and forth in social studies, taking regular geography in 9th grade and moving to AP their sophomore year if they would like to. All 9th graders should sign up for participation skills and techniques, which is a required PE class. There are some classes that can substitute for that, including participation in Brighton sports or taking PST online. However, it's best just to sign up for the class at this point, and then students can easily drop it in the future if they do end up doing one of the other options. All students will be placed into a flex class. There's nothing that needs to happen at this point, but flex is a class we have at Brighton where students can work on their homework and get help from teachers if they need it. So everyone will have a flex class in their schedule. Students should add up their required classes to determine how much room they have for electives. Electives are on the right-hand side of the page. There are no specific categories that students need to pick. They can choose whichever electives they would like. They should think about which classes sound fun and interesting and which classes would help prepare them for their future. Students who are in a dual language program will automatically be placed in their correct class. World language is not a requirement for graduation, but it is required for the honors and advanced diplomas. Students who started in dual immersion will be placed in DLI 5. Students who started in regular world language in middle school should go into level 2 or level 3, depending on what year they started. And students who have never taken a world language will start in level 1. After students have selected how many courses to take, they'll need to enter their selections in Skyward by logging into Family Access, clicking Schedule on the left-hand side of the screen, and then Request Courses for 2022-2023 on the upper right. All the classes are listed on the left-hand side. Students will locate a class, highlight it, then click Add Course, and it will show up on the right-hand side of the page. They do this for all of the classes they plan to take and A's and B's individually. So for example, student will select English 9A add that. And then English 9B, and add that course until they have completed 15 total classes, 7.5 credits, or 6.5 if they're taking LDS seminary. Once they are at 15 classes, they can just exit out. There's not a save button. It automatically saves as you go, so you can exit as soon as you've finished. Students who need additional help can refer to the materials, the website, bhscounseling.org, or talk to a counselor at their middle school. We'll be at Butler on February 15th and at Albion on February 17th. We hope this was a helpful overview to the course selection process. We look forward to seeing you at Brighton next year.